Welcome to the PortalConnect online training tutorial of how to request a medication renewal. The information you will see in this video is purely fictitious and used for training purposes only. If your practice offers medication renewal requests, once logged into your PortalConnect account, on the right-hand side of the home page under the title Links, you will see the option to select the medication renewal by clicking on the blue link. Once selected, a pop-up screen will display that requires you to type out the doctor's name in the To field. Please include a note if necessary and select the medication you wish to be renewed from the option of checkboxes. Once finished, select the green Renewal button on the bottom right-hand side. The renewal has been sent once you see the brief confirmation next to the Renewal button displayed Message Sent. That concludes our training tutorial on how to request a medication renewal in PortalConnect.